In regards to bringing up your energy, it's very much a case of, first of all, making it comfortable for you. Because I'm going to tell you now, when it comes to the camera can be a little bit strange because it's not another human watching you. It's a piece of tech, it's a piece of machinery. And as tech progresses, an AI machine is staring at you. So there's a lot of things that can seem a bit odd when we're trying to pick up our speed or pick up our energy, because we're expecting some sort of feedback. Usually when you're communicating with other human beings, you're expecting some sort of feedback. So to know if your energy is too low or too high, to understand where you're coming from. But because you're working with a piece of machinery, it's going to be not going to give you a whole lot to work with. So just to bring up your energy, you can first either sit down, or you find yourself in a more comfortable position. Usually that helps bring up your energy because you're not trying to either stand up for a long period of time or trying to put yourself in an uncomfortable position because maybe the light is better. That might be the case, but if you're uncomfortable, you're not going to have a whole lot of energy. And making sure that you, another useful tip that I have for bringing up your energy is, again, practice, which I tell you now, Kitty, is one of the main factors of what I do, is just tell people to practice. But giving yourself that opportunity that if you find yourself in a day have more energy in the mornings, then think about the video that you're going to film ahead of time, maybe even write down some dot points, so then you don't have to keep thinking about it, maybe the night before or whenever you're relaxing. And then when you actually come to film the video at the time of day where you have the most energy, then you'll be able to film it maybe once, maybe twice, maximum 3 times. And then that's it. Don't feel the need to keep recording things to get it absolutely perfect, because you've done it 3 times. And then by the time you finish that 3rd time, you're usually out of energy anyway. So usually try and pick the times a day that you have the most energy just naturally. And as someone who experiences a lot of dips with chronic health conditions, I think being able to give yourself that grace of just hearing your body and hearing what it has to say. And then, okay, when you've got the time to do it and the energy to do it, then do it then.